Sorry, there's a there's a noise in your background. What is it? I cannot hear.
Some people
Uh-huh.
they tried to join the link in the WhatsApp group.
Uh-huh.
It was inactive, so we came a bit late by joining the link in the e-learning, and we did
Uh,
not get what we said in the beginning.
it's okay. It's okay. Just do it as a individually. It's okay. Okay, anyone. I just pick up randomly. Okay, it doesn't matter.
No, for
Uh,
you because we did not get what we said in the beginning.
okay, it's okay. If difficult, it's okay. Okay, okay. I just want to see the example. Okay, okay. So this one is for ultratons. Okay, so convenient to click top locks when non in use to resist leaks. Okay, easy to apply aerosol spray. Okay, so this is the product attributes. Okay, maybe anyone else want to share? Anyone else? Last one. Maybe A and E is already okay. B, C, D. Anyone from group 3, group 4, group 2, group 3, group 4? Anyone else as individuals? Not really from the group. You can just what is it? Visit 3M's website. Just like what Prima and Afiq did. You can share. Anyone else? Before we move to the second part of this topic. Boleh tak siapa? Daripada grup 2, 3, 4, okey, 7, 8, 9. What's this? Capture PNG. Ashraf. Oh. Awak share macam mana ni PNG? Ultra Elegant Air Conditioner. Air filter. Air filter is a amplifier, right? For me. Okay. So this is what who share. This one is from Ashraf. Okay. If you look at here, will fit furnace. Okay, so I will share this one. Okay. Let's take time. Maybe from the others. Okay, this one is from group 9. What is this? This one is sun control, right? Improve your building, provide high heat reduction at low cost, tinted reflective lamps, improve your building energy performance. Okay, so good. So everybody knows about the product attribute or the characteristic and properties of your products. Okay, so that's good. Okay, Santia. This one pure cool. Okay, Swaran. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, group filter, group 2. Dyson Pure Cool. Okay. Sense and display real-time quality. Capture harmful gas, pollutants. Okay, Logas Warren. Ensure that your what is it lasts longer. Two filter include in your Alex Pure. Okay, so that's good. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. So you understand about the product attributes. Okay, so let's go to second part of this topic. Okay, introduction of the chemical product design. Okay, do you have any question about the product attributes? Okay. before we move to the how to develop the products, chemical product design? Okay, so if there's no questions, let's continue. Okay, so for today, maybe the outline of the lecture is about the conceptualization of products. Okay, and then multidisciplinary hierarchical framework for chemical product design. So this one we want to know how to, what is it, cost of development, the method for the class in product design framework. Okay, the milestones, and as well, I'm not sure, we maybe some we will move to the consumer preference also if we have a time. Okay, but we're not gonna finish by today, I think. Okay, tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. Okay. So if you know that design is actually is the synthesis activity. Okay, so that's the meaning of the different part are combined to create the as a new function. Okay, or new characteristic as compared with the individual part, which is not available in individual parts. Which we combine the individuals and with another individuals to make new products. Okay, for example, ethylene, right? So we can combine with another chemical so that we can convert to another product. Okay, so if you look at here, if you remember, for B2B products, B2B product is we can say is a primary molecules. Okay, and the product design is equivalent to the synthesis of new molecules. For examples, in the past, like the chemists, they do trial and error experimentally, but in 21st century we can use computer tools to predict or to design the molecules, right? As well as also B2C products, it's actually it's a primarily mixture and devices, and the product design is a activity that aggregates the constituent parts that already exist to generate the final product. Okay, and similar also, like molecular designs, we can use the computer tools to develop or to predict the properties of the mixture. Okay, then for example, like the facility to design the 3D products. Okay, and the device equipment such as like heat exchanger or distillation columns or furnace. Okay, that one is a B2C product. Okay. After the product designs, okay, if you remember, after the product designs, many activities such as, yeah, after the experiments or after you identify, okay, the products, of course you have to do the prototyping and also product testing. Okay, so this is what we call as a product development. Okay, product design and development is actually is we cannot separate. Okay, um, if you want to success your product, we cannot separate this product design and also product development. Okay, in addition, for this product development and product design and developments, okay, there is a marketing, business, and financial specialist. Usually we will work together as a chemical engineer. We will work together with the marketing people, business people. Okay, so all these things we need to address. Okay, in all relevant aspect. Okay, so for the overview of these activities, we're gonna see in the conceptualization of the product as well as the frameworks. Okay, so if you can hear that this is the technology push and market pulls. We call it as a demand pull. Okay, what is the technology push and market pulls? Okay, so the decision of the developing a product maybe is a demand pull or market pull. What is a technology push or market pull? Anyone else? Anyone can answer what is a technology push and market pull? Did you read already this one? Any idea? Any suggestion from the participants, from the students? What is the difference between technology push and market pull or demand pull? Anas Hakimi, what do you understand? Tak ada. Tak ada idea.
Demand pool lah.
Jawab dia.
No idea, Doktor.
No idea.
Teknologi
Technology push, market pull. What do you mean?
Come.
Demand pull awak faham tak? Demand pull. You understand what demand pull? Just what demand pull.
is there is demand, then capacity, the production capacity will increase lah kan.
Okay, that's correct. That is correct.
Then
Okay, lagi?
different from technology push. Technology push, if we develop something new, new technology, and there must be what?
Okay, betul? Betul. Apa?
We need to, if new technology, then people will use that technology to produce something lah kan.
Yes, we want to market that technology. Yes, that is correct. So that means just for technology push, the team is going to be a business team, right? From the new technology and then go to the business team, and then we want to market the products, right? As a new products. That is technology push. Okay, for example, what is it? Hand sanitizing, right? If it's new, so you have to market because there is a demand. But for the market pool or demand pool, the concept is like we want to improve some things because there is demand, right? Like Anas said, right? There's a demand or there's a improvement or novel processing technology. So we want to market this one. Okay, so we want to maintain in the business market. Okay, for example, like nylon for stocking, right? Okay, generally we will improve. Okay, so that we can maintain the business of the nylon. Okay, that's good. Good answer. Okay, so another effort is like develop novel carbon materials, right? For previous, maybe the previous one we just develop like a normal carbon, but currently we use like a fullerenes, okay, carbon nanotubes, graphene, that is currently in progress. Okay, as well as what is it for the demand pool. Previously, if in chemical, for the chemical engineers, right? If you want to separate products, okay, and directions, okay, we have to do separately. So you use a furnace and then there's a separator like distillation, right? But for the current innovations or new technology, okay, we use a reactive distillation. We can do together. We do direction and then we can separate. Okay, this is we call it as also the market pool or demand pool. Okay, technology push is more to new technology. Okay, and demand pool is more to the consumer preference, consumer needs. Okay, so we have to improve frequently. Okay, so this is for example of the technology push tolerance, as I told you, which is developed by Richard Smalley. Okay, tolerance is a new technology for the, I think it's for photovoltaics. Okay, and then the quantity productions start from 2003 by the Mitsubishi. Okay, this one is for the organic PV photovoltaics. Okay, if you look at here, right, the price is much more expensive than the price of gold. Okay, by comparing with the purity. Okay, if the mixture is $5 per gram, but in terms of purity, if you look at here, what is it? C70 99%, 450 to 500 US dollar per gram is very expensive. Okay, this is a very new. Okay, so this is what we call it as technology push that we can market. Okay, how about the demand pulls? Okay, or market pulls. This is we call it as a replacement from the traditional or the old items, old things. Okay, so if you look at here, for example, is transparent conductive oxide. Okay, previously it's used in the optoelectronic device. Okay, but since it has a drawbacks, it's expensive. We look at here, expensive, and then indium, the film primary metal is rare. Okay, the price is fluctuate. So we want to find the alternative so that can replace this one, ITO. Okay, so we use dope binary compounds such as aluminum, dope zinc oxide. Similarly, also like a catalyst. Okay, rather than we use homogeneous catalyst, okay, researcher would like to use heterogeneous catalyst because easy of separation. Homogeneous is homogeneous with the raw materials. Okay, it's difficult for separation. It's something like that. That is what we call it a market pool. Okay, so any question about the demand pool as well as technology push? Okay, so this is another alternative for the conductive electrodes. Okay, the various candidates A, B, C as well as D. So we have many varieties, many choice to choose which one is better. Okay, but this one is just adopted from the ACS. Okay, from the journals. Okay. Okay. If there's no questions, let's see the multidisciplinary hierarchical framework for the chemical product design. Okay, what is this about? Okay, so the framework actually they have two major components in the product designs. Okay, two major. Okay, if you look at here, first is the timeline of the product design. Timeline is actually is a milestone from the starting until you market the products. Okay, generally we begin with the conceptualizations or product conceptualizations, followed by the detail design and prototyping. Okay, if this one okay, phase 1 and phase 2 is okay, we can proceed to manufacturing and also launching the products, which is a phase 3. So generally there's a 3 phase. Okay, if you look at here, uh, phase 1 product conceptualizations. Okay, phase 2, okay, design and prototyping, and phase 3 is product manufacturing and launching. Okay, and manufacturing and launching phase 3 can be classified also into 5 job functions. Okay, management, business marketing, research and design, manufacturing and finance and economics. This one. Okay, so there is a 5 job function. Okay, so from the beginnings until the ends, okay, we have to do a lot of work. Okay, because they have a 5 job function: management, business and marketing, research and design, manufacturing and finance, as well as economics. Okay, this is what we call as a multidisciplinary. Okay, involving with other expertise. Okay, and also hierarchicals because we go from the simple to the complex. Okay, that's why we call it as a hierarchical. Okay, so to produce develop the products. Okay, so this is what we call as multidisciplinary hierarchical product design frameworks. Okay, so this is the examples of the frameworks. Okay, this is a job function, the left side. Okay, this one: management, sales, marketing, research, design, manufacturing and finance. And on top is the phase. Okay, phase 1, phase 2 and also phase 3. Okay, for examples, we got here that the economic analysis, right, we can perform in the all 3 phases. Okay, manufacturing as well as finance and economic. And what I would like to highlight, which is related with the chemical engineer, is the italic one, this one. Okay, this is required from the chemical engineer. Okay, the one is non-italics or I do not highlighted is actually is from other discipline like marketing. Okay, like this one, right, develop promotionals and launch materials. This one can be what is it, can be conducted by the marketing teams. Okay, firm up key buyers or sales channels. Okay, from the sales teams. Okay, what else, evaluate opportunity cost for the accountants. Okay, tech issues. Okay, this one is not related with the chemical engineers, but it's complement. Okay, it's complement with the chemical engineers. Okay, this one, the highlighted one is required input from the chemical engineers. You have to remember that, like set product development, objective time chart. Okay, collect consumer preference. Okay, identifies a family of products. This is only chemical engineers know, right? Fabricate prototype. Definitely, if you want to develop prototypes, chemical engineer should know. Okay, and you can work with the mechanical engineer. Stability test. Okay, you can work with the chemist. Okay, of course, chemical engineer also can do it. Okay, synthesize manufacturing process. This one. Okay, process design. Okay, also as a manufacturing process. Okay, chemical engineer also required. Okay, so let's see the element of the product design framework for the test executions. First is method, database, tools, and experiments. For the method, role-based, okay, model-based, and hybrid method. And database, we can get the database from the chemical database, equipment database, thermodynamic database, kinetics, okay. Tools, software, okay, like Excel, MATLAB, ICAS, okay. What else? Console, okay, experiment, trial and error. From the tools, we can reduce the trial and error. Okay, this is the element for the task execution. Okay. Any question about this one? The hierarchical product frameworks. Any questions? So the most important thing is this one. Okay, how you want to develop this framework. Okay, you have to remember there's a 5 job functions and 3 phases. Okay, for management, okay, what is for the project management which related with the chemical engineer? Sales marketing, market study, which one is related with the chemical engineer? Okay, research and design, of course, research and designs, all the, like a product design, prototyping, is all this criteria is related with the chemical engineer, which is the input required from the chemical engineers. Because for the other teams, like business team, marketing teams, they doesn't know, but they need this input from the chemical engineer. Okay, manufacturing, okay, manufacturing, as well as finance is yes, you learn about the economic also. And for the business people, they learn also about the economics. Okay, so please remember this one. This is the examples, but the general one, this one. Okay. Okay, any questions before we move to the project management? Okay, project management generally is related with the milestone. Okay, the starting point to product development project. Okay, we call it as a objective time chart, okay, or the milestone, or the relationship between the objective, sub-objective, another sub-objective. Okay, okay. So if no questions, okay, we move to the project management. Okay, okay. So the starting point of the product development project is actually is a objective time chart. Okay, this is what we call it as a objective time chart. Okay, promote concurrent execution first by the conversion into sub-objective. Okay, so this is the main objective. Okay, the main objective A, B, C, and D. Okay, this is a high level of objective. Okay, high level task, such as like what, market study. Okay, product design, manufacturing site, R&D laboratory, corporations. Okay, feasibility study. Okay, so from this objective, okay, the high level objective, for example, objective D. Okay, objective D, it can be decomposed into sub objective, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, and D6. This one. Okay, we can decompose more. There's what is it, ada ni, there's a chat, demand pull based on human. Okay, okay, so we decompose another sub objective, D1, D2, D3, and so on. Okay, so this is the sub-objective. Okay, so for example, if objective D is a product design, D1 may be selection of the ingredients. What else? Measurement of the product physical properties. Okay, this is to design the product, right? So the ingredients, okay, the characteristic of the product, the properties of the physical and the chemical properties of the products, okay, maybe D6. Okay, and then this all these sub objective we can decompose again into D61, D62, D63. For examples, D61. Okay, because we want to know the properties, right? This one is more to properties. Tak boleh English. Okay. This one more to the properties. Okay, chemical and physical properties. For example, what D6? We want to measure the pH. Okay. We want to measure the pH. Okay. Or viscosity. What else? What is another characteristic? Like pore size of the products. Okay. That is the another objective. Okay. So this is what we call is an objective time chart. Okay. So generally this method often used by a product or process development team. Okay. And need to be performed and the time by which should be complete. So within the time horizon, the time period. So should be complete. So by presenting this objective time charts, so every members or your teams will know what your targets, what's your goals, okay, that you need to achieve. Okay. So from this objective time chart also we can do some objective, okay, in parallel or concurrently. For example, this one, objective D2 and D4. So we can do in parallel or concurrently. For example, objective this one, D6, right? For example, D62, D62 and D63, right? So we can do in parallel, okay, to minimize we can reduce the times, okay, so that we can do together. Okay, so this is the importance of the objective time chart. Okay, so actually for me my opinion is objective time chart also is related with the milestone of your activities. Okay, yes, project scheduling is almost similar, Hafiz. Okay, almost similar like product scheduling or milestone is similar. Okay, but this is in term of difference. I think we look at here, generally we read like this, right? If you want to read this one objective A, this is time schedule, this one is a time schedule, right? Something like you do with the PSN, right? Similar, you have a objective time chart, you have the activities, we call it as a milestone, right? Milestone Gantt chart. Okay, this one, and then you can reduce another sub objective. This is the project management. Okay, Hafiz. Okay, so for more details I can show you this one. This one sama, right? Macam you punya ni Gantt chart. Okay. Okay, so we can know if you this one something that we can do concurrently, this one. All right, this one we can do together. Okay, similarly. Okay, so you have to complete within this one in months. Okay, maybe 1 year, I think. 1, 2, 3, almost 1 year. Okay, fabricate prototype, performance test. Okay, so this is the example of objective time chart. Okay, as a project manager, you have to know this one. Okay, you have to master, although your team is not really your team or other members is not familiar, but as a project manager, you have to know, you have to understand about the objective time chart. Okay, any questions? Ada soalan tak?
No.
Okay. Okay, nanti lepas after this one, maybe we will do some tutorial. Oh, dia tak nak awak mengantuk. Okay. 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 So in order to achieve the objective or your sub-objective, we use different resources. Okay, if you look at here, there's we call it as RAT2IO, RAT2IO for each task. Okay. So this is the acronym standard for the, if you look at here, down here is a resource, activity, time, tools, input, output, information, and objective. Okay. So we identify the advanced the resource. Generally the resource, what is the resource? For example, like people, money. Okay, this is the resource. Okay, we call it as a resource, and this is the resource. This is the money, people, what else? Tools, not tools, the equipment. Okay, and then we are required to complete the activities or experiments, modeling your activities. You have to complete. Okay, this is the activities that you want to complete within the time required to perform the activity. For example, how many years? 2 years. Even if you conduct the research or undergraduate project, there is a time period, right? You have to complete. For example, for the undergraduate project, within 1 semester you have to complete. Okay, and then PSM2 you have to complete. Currently now you are doing the PSM2, right? And undergraduate final year project too. Okay, you have to complete within 1 semester. Okay, almost 3 months. Okay, how to complete this one within the specified of times? Using a proper tools. You have to know the objective. Generally objective is the main. Okay, tools, what else? During the pandemics, how you want to conduct the experiment and you cannot come to the university. Okay, have you discussed with your supervisor? Okay, so you need to use software. Okay, or you have to study the about the case study. Is it you want to do the experiment? I don't think so. Okay, how you want to conduct the experiment? Okay, okay, and then from this one further from this what is it, resource, activities, time, tools, so that we can generate necessary information. Okay, we have an input and then we can generate the information. This is the output. Okay, information flow and what is it, flow and documentation. Okay, so by all these characteristic, you can get the result or output information. Okay, which is to meet the given objective. The main thing is your objective. Okay, definitely if your final project is a final project, you have the main objective, how you want to achieve the objective. Okay, this is the higher ranks, higher hierarchy in RATI2IO. You know the objective, how you want to meet this objective, achieve the objective. Okay, so generally as a project manager definitely is an expert. Okay, we can distinguish between the novice and also expert by preparing this what is it, the previous one, objective time chart, as well as this RAT2IO. Okay, so we can know the timeline. Okay, so as a manager or as a chemical engineer, okay, so I hope you can understand about this one. Okay, so please remember about your final project also. Okay, if you, I think this one also related with your final year project. Okay, for example, your objective to produce what, catalyst. Okay, what is the resource? Okay, of course there's a human capital, money. Okay, from the grant. Okay, information, input, output, how to get the output within the timeline, what the software you do, experiment or software. Okay, okay, so I hope you understand this one about RATI T2IO. I don't know how to say this one. Okay, RAT2IO let's say. RAT2IO. Okay, okay, so this is the definitions or the resource activities, tool, time, information, objective, people, IP, equipment, money, and so on. Okay, activities, market survey, feasibility study, tools, okay, some software, times, the milestone, information, okay, product attributes, product ingredients, okay, objective, market research, and product concept. So this is the examples of the RED 2IO. Okay, what is the main objective? Okay, a prototype that meets the product specification. Okay, for examples. Okay, input, what do you need? Product microstructure, spec, okay, properties, and what is the output that you need? Okay, you want to measure the product specification, die attach adhesive composition and ingredients within the 5 months. Okay, within 5 months you can get this output. What tools you are required? Okay, definitely if you want to do the what is it, die attach adhesive, you need the laboratory equipment, okay, test equipment, analytical instruments, and the activities. Okay, you need to fabricate the prototypes, okay, obtain necessary process data and the resource. Other than you as a chemical engineer, what you require in your team? Is it chemist? Okay, business partner. Okay, you need a laboratory space and budget where you can get this budget. You have to know this one. This is the example of RED 2IO, the example. Okay, so now is almost 12 o'clock. Okay, I hope you can. Okay, some tutorials how to do the RED 2IO. The title is production of carboxymethyl cellulose from oil palm EFB cellulose. Okay, can you do the objective, input, output, times, tool, activity, and resource? Can you list down? Take one paper, A4 paper, make it like these tables. Okay, and then you write down, and you can snapshot your answer, and what is it? Upload in the WhatsApp group. Can you do? I give you now is I give you around 10 to 15 minutes. Give a thanks. Saya just pick satu nama. Saya harap semua boleh buat. I hope all of you can do. So production of carboxymethyl cellulose from oil palm empty fruit bunch cellulose, or maybe it's a empty fruit bunch is too specific, I think, or oil palm waste, or maybe from biomass. This is too specific. Maybe you can search in the internet. What is the objective? Of course, production of CMC from the biomass. Right. What is the input information? Just similarly like this one. You can refer to the slide. The input information. Maybe a high purity of CMC. For the CMC, we can use for the adhesive binding. We can use for the what is it? For food additive. You have to know. That is the output information. The purity, how much? Degree of substitution, how much? Okay, because different this degree of substitution carboxymethyl into the cellulose, different would be different application. Okay, high grade maybe we can use for the pharmaceutical. Okay, low grade maybe for the bindings or for the construction. We have to suggest here. Maybe not too much, 1, 2 or 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 point, 2 point, 1 point, 2 point. Okay. What tools you're gonna need? Maybe some laboratory space activities, how you want to do this one, and what is the resource. Of course, budget required. I already give the information. Okay, by 12:10, 12:10, I'll just upload your. I just pick one name. Okay. That. Oh, the. Uh, Nurus Nabilah. Nurus Nabilah. Can you? Ya, siap. Nurus Nabilah, Nurul Hidayah ya. Siapa? For those who dance, maybe you can upload in the WhatsApp group. Who can share? I have no answer also actually. Okay. So there's no correct answer or no wrong answer. We will just discuss everything. So I think is based on the how to say your opinion. Okay. But I can just give a suggestion for the times. Okay. Maybe how long you're gonna produce this MC from the beginning to the end. Can? Post 44. Who can post in the Hafiz? Iqmal? Jasmita? Boleh tak? You can share answer. Who can share? Alah pun tak apa. Tak kisah pun. We can discuss. There's no wrong I think. It's based on your opinion. Or maybe international students. Or international students. Michelle. Michelle no right? Michelle. I think you have experience. Okay. You did the Michelle, last time you pre-treat biomass, right? AFB, right? To produce the cellulose. So you know, no, you know the input output activities. I think it's from Michelle. Michelle is the correct person. You can share. Okay, Michelle. Afiq Rosli. Okay. Yeah, I share.
She's coming, doctor. She's coming. We are working on it.
Is it? I cannot hear.
On it. She's coming to explain very soon. Some minutes, please.
So many. Okay. So I'll stop the sharing. So this is what share from Afiq. Okay. Let's see. Afiq. Okay. Okay, next time I think it's better you do in the tables, just like the I show you, right? Something like this. I think objective CMC production from biomass. Okay. Input information, cohesion and binding in mechanism. Output. I think ATR, FTIR, and light microscopic result. Okay. So for the tools, I think you can put ATR and FTIR tools in the tools. Okay. But I think output is the maybe output something like information. Yes, microscopic result. Okay, high purity of CMC for the food additive, something like that. Input informations, cohesive and binding mechanism. Yes. Times. What do you think, Afiq? Afiq, is it Afiq? How about times? How long is required? Tak tahu. Tak tahu. So you're gonna do a prototyping for your tool, something like the reactor. Of course, you need a reactor for the CNC production, right? I think that's the tool, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Of course lah. Kalau tak macam mana? Okay. Place lah, facilities lah tu kan. And then resources HCl of a paper sludge. Okay, so you want to make from paper sludge. Okay, yes, biomass, that's good. HCl of paper sludge. I think it's a HCl paper sludge. This is a resource of for the biomass. Tools like ATR, FTIR is the analytical instrument. Okay, what else? Reactor. Of course, you need the reactor tools because you cannot do the CMC by using your bare hands, right? So you need the maybe reactor because it's involving the what is it? Alkaline and OH. Okay. Of course, you need the cellulose. Okay, because carboxymethyl cellulose, right? Okay. Input informations. Okay, that's good. Okay, times maybe my suggestion 2 years. Is it enough? Okay, it's up to you based on your activities. Unless based on your objective within the period, so that you can meet this objective. Okay, make sure you can meet this objective. Okay, that's good. Okay, maybe anyone else want to share? Michelle, I'm waiting for Michelle actually.
Yes, betul.
Okay, can you share your answer?
Okay.
Okay, in the WhatsApp group, just share. Take a snapshot. I can share. Yeah, everybody can see, right? This one. That's good. That's good. We wait for Michelle. Michelle share her opinion about the Red 2IO. Already? Okay. This one is from Michelle. Okay. Okay. Objective produce CMC from ozonated. Input information ozonated cellulose. Okay. I think everybody doesn't know what is a ozonated biomass, right? So ozonated is actually a type of pretreatment to pretreat biomass, so that we can separate because biomass consists of cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. So by using an ozonation method, we can separate cellulose, hemicellulose, as well as lignin. Generally, we want to remove the lignin so we can get the cellulose. Cellulose is carbohydrate. This is what we call is ozonated cellulose. Okay, because Michelle did what is it, industrial training in my lab under Prof. Masa, so she's using ozonated cellulose. Input information ozonated cellulose from biomass-based products. Biomass lower particle size. Okay, grounded biomass, yes. Output white, yeah, cellulose from ozonated biomass, small particle size. Okay, times 2 weeks. Wow, so fast. I think our target is to produce CMC. Okay, tools Osbioni. This is the reactor. Okay, CMC reactor, oven, oxygen gas tank. I think also for the output we need the high grade of CMC, or yeah, CMC. This is the output information. Activities, ozonolysis or pretreatment of the biomass, washing of the cellulose, oven dry. Yes, this is good. Filtering, dryings. Resources, chemical engineers. Yes, Michelle as a chemical engineer. Logistic services, lab. Yes, that's good. This is RAD 2. This is complete information we can get from the Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. Good answer. Okay.
Okay, Dokter.
Okay, so everybody knows what is a RAD 2IO. The main thing is the objective, how you want to meet the objective. Okay, thank you very much. Good sharing. Okay, any question about RAD 2IO before we move to next slide? Okay, so that's good. Because we want to move to another product development process. We call it as a stage gate. Okay. This is just a complement from the objective time chart, the previous slide, right? If you remember objective time chart, the milestone. Okay, because they have we need a review the concept, okay, review again the feasibility. This is what we call it a stage gate product development process. Any question about the RAD 2IO? Okay, so if no questions, I think okay. We move to the stage gate product development. Okay. The stage gate product development is the complementary to the objective time chart. Okay. if you look at here, that there's a 5 stages. Okay, concept, feasibility, development, manufacturing, and product introduction. Okay, so this is in the rectangular block. Okay, this is goals that we are set. Okay, this rectangular is the goal. Okay, and then they have a 5 gates. Look at here, gates. This is the diamond shape. After the goals, there's a diamond shape. There's a diamond shape. Okay, this is what we call, we review the deliverables takes place. We're gonna review this one. You can go to the next stage or not. Okay, this one, the gates is the review. Okay, you can go to the next stage or not. Okay, we're gonna review. Okay, and then the below rectangle, this one, this is the principal step to be accomplished at each stage. Okay, and then uh, this one is item to be screened during the stage gate. Okay, so if you pass this stage gate, we can move to the another stage. Okay, so actually each stage we can reduce the risk. Okay, by verifying the manufacturability, as well the matching the product features and performance that meet the consumer needed. Okay, so, and the gates review generally conducted by the key holders or decision makers, like business, technical, okay, manufacturing, okay, supply chain, environment, sustainable, health, okay, safety. Okay, that is the review gate. Okay, and it gets review decision is made either you gonna move to the next stage or advance to the next stage, or you're gonna retain, okay, in the current stage, and you have to resolve it before you move to the next stage, or maybe you can cancel the design. This is what we call as a review. Okay, so this is the what is it, the explanation about the stage gate. Okay, so if you look at here, decision is made either to advance, okay, retain, or want to, or cancel. Okay, this is depending on the decision from the stakeholder, key stakeholder. Okay, so you have to remember this stage gate is complement with the objective time chart. Okay, because they have a main two components, right? Okay, timeline. Another one is after you pass the timeline, you can move to the next stage. Okay, any questions? Maybe we will stop around 12:30. Okay, after this one we stop. Okay, we will not go to the consumer preference. Okay, so methods for the task in product design from frameworks. Okay, so if you look at here, there's a task for the design frameworks, market analysis, and marketing plan. Okay, for the market analysis, there's a 4, and marketing plan, there's a 6. Which is market analysis is investigation and research, while marketing plan is related with the decision and actions. Sorry. Okay, so for the investigation and research, market situation and potential customer, market segment, competitive analysis, critical success factors. Okay, and decision and actions, products positioning, pricing and market shares, channel distributions, promotion and communication, marketing organization and sales process, return on marketing. So if you look at here, that for the market situations and potential customer, for example, so what desire and needs do the new products address? Okay, what the potential customer doing right now? Okay, is it the customer doing nothing, or they are using different products, but using the same product, but there's a competitor? Okay, you have to understand the nature of industry. Okay, who's the key player and the individual in the industry. This is a market situation and potential customer. Okay, how satisfied are the potential customer with the existing products, and if you want to release your products, right, is it as comparisons, is it can meet the customers need? Okay, how hard it will be get them to change because it's already existing the product. It's gonna change to your product. They will choose your product. Okay, that is the market situation and the potential customer. For the market segment, okay, maybe how to segment the market, like geographic, local, regionals, internationals. How you can segment this market? How you want to market your product? Demographics, B2C, B2B, which one is your prefer? Okay, B2B must be industry to industry, B2C industry to the customer, right? And then how to identify market segment, trade show, market survey, okay, suppliers, okay, this is about the market segment, okay. And competitive analysis, definitely you have to compare with the product available. For example, what is it? Car, right? We have Proton as well as what else? Proton, Honda City with Persona. Compare with the what is it? For the Pro, what car?
Maybe
Pro, what car? I don't hear.
Myvi.
Bukan Myvi. Myvi almost comparable with the Honda City. Sedan type. What is it?
Jadi ada beza kan?
Beza. Yes, Beza. If you watch the advertisement, right? That's the competitive analysis. Why City is much better than Beza as well as Persona. Okay, right. In term of price, in term go to uphill. Okay, pick up. That's the competitive analysis. How about your products? Maybe you want to produce a new car, not Beza, another Berbeza. Okay, different. Berbeza is different. Okay, you have to do a competitive analysis. Okay, tangible items or intangible items like IP, intellectual properties, license. You have to remember that. Okay. Okay, and then critical success factor and risk. Okay, if you want to succeed, what should happen? Okay, for example, the cost is must below. You have to sell below rather than the cost must be below for certain. You have the targets, right? Okay, what is the potential troubles and contingency plans? Okay, maybe like a sales projection is below than expectation, what you have to do. Okay, distributor refuse to market your product. That is the critical factor and risk. Okay, for example. Okay, for the decision and actions, okay, product positionings. Okay, this is the elements, the most important element in the marketing plan. Okay, product positionings. You have to understand how to. You have to have strategy how to positioning your product. You have to understand your customer, analyze the market, assess the product. Okay, as well as pricing and market share. Okay, like how much do you want to charge, the cost. Okay, or you want to give a discount, like if you go to the shop, right, there's some discount coupon, right? Can you buy as a bundle? Okay, can the customer buy as a bundle? Okay, and then how much you want to charge in view of the customer affordability. You cannot charge so expensive, right? Okay, what's your target customer actually? Okay, channel and distributions. How can we channel your products? Anyone? Any suggestion? How you want to channel your product? Sekarang ni lagi senang. Even now is, I think, it's quite easy. How you want to channel your product? Who does the business online? How you channel your product? Anyone do business online?
Paid review.
Apa ni?
Paid review.
Paid review. Wow, paid review. Insta famous ke? Okay, so that one is we call it a direct online lah. Okay, like kalau kita guna apa ni, dropship, like a dropship, right? Indirect, retailer, wholesaler, contractor, right? So that's good. Okay, on store online. Social media, yes, that is how to you channel your product. Good. And then promotion, how do you promote? Like who said Ashraf? You said this Insta famous. Ashraf, are you Insta famous? No, almost. What else? What is the common tools? Of course, the brochure. Like currently we use Instagram, right? Tapi jangan scam orang lah. Social networking, Google, Facebook, Instagram, relationship call, okay.
Facebook Live.
Facebook Drive, okay, yes. Good. Factor to consider, okay. Who's gonna buy the decision made? Of course, customer, okay. That is, I think it's more to the business lah, okay. Marketing organization and sales persons, okay. Of course, sales manager, advertising manager, you have must have in your team advertising manager because you want to market your product, okay. Customer service manager and etc. Okay, customer relationship management, okay. You have to compare with the existing product with your product, okay. Okay, so and then return on marketing. This is usually we will survey the customer satisfaction, either is dissatisfier, satisfier or delectors. Okay, generally if basic quality dissatisfier, consumer want therefore don't ask. Okay, usually like a pharmaceutical is non-toxic. Definitely you have to do the pharmaceutical is non-toxic pharmaceutical product, and customer not gonna ask you, but you have to do. Okay. Satisfier, okay. Expected quality, for example, consumer place absent the if the characteristic is absent, consumer are dissatisfied. For example, aspirin, okay, you relieve the it's relieve the headache. If not relieve the headache, so consumer is gonna satisfied, okay. TikTok, famous TikTok, okay. And delectors, okay, something like hidden. This the characteristic of features is hidden, okay. For example, like a cell phone battery that lasts day without recharging. So something like this is consumer do not request actually, but because they don't know, right? Okay, but every time we improve this one, okay. So any question about this one, about the what is it, market analysis and marketing plan? I think everybody know about the marketing plan. For those who do the business online, you have to know how to marketing plan as well as the market situation, right? Currently also you can sell through Shopee or Lazada. Okay, any question before we stop? I think it's too long.
Tadi ada.
I feel thirsty actually. Tak ada? Ada soalan tak?
Tak.
Tak ada? Okay. So if no questions, almost 12:30, and I will update the group. Okay, because for the assignment you have to do in the group, and among each member, I think you have to do what is it? Create a any WhatsApp group or Telegram groups so that you can discuss, or you can discuss through the what is it, any platform such as Zoom or Google Meet. I think Google Meet is much better because everybody have a Google account. Okay. So I think for discussion with your members, that is my suggestion. Or if you want to discuss through WhatsApp, also possible. But I will update the group members because the numbers of student is 42. There's a new student enrolled in my class, so I will update again. Okay. So it's not gonna be 4 or 5 members in each group. It's gonna be 3. 42, right? So just divided into 3. Almost 14 groups. So any questions? The most important thing I think this part is this part. Okay. This part. This one is the frameworks. Okay. Related with the timeline and job function. Okay. This is the important you have to understand. Okay. And then project management, objective time chart. This is important. Objective time chart is a milestone. Okay. This is you have to highlight it, as well as red to IO. This one also important. Okay. You did the tutorial already. Okay, and you understand, as well as stage gate. Stage gate is important. And this one I think is more to like explanation. I think you can understand this one. There's no, based on your opinion, I think you can understand. You already learned the what is it? What subject? Economic, right? Engineering economic. I think you can understand this one. So any questions? This one we continue tomorrow. If no questions, okay. So if no question, ada soalan tak? Tak ada eh? Before I stop here.
Tak ada.
Okay.
Betul.
So later I will already give you the link for the last time video. I think I already upload in the e-learning, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
for this new one, I will upload also and give you the link. So if there is no question.